Thanks for joining us here in the Fox 4 Weather Center. We start the latest on the tropics, and it's a wave of energy that we've actually been monitoring all week long, and it's because this is partially to blame for the wetter weather pattern we've been stuck with. Right now, this area of low pressure hanging out in the northern tier of the state as it works its way to the west. It's going to be affecting the north central Gulf Coast and even parts of coastal Texas. So it's going to be a big rainmaker, especially for our friends there along the Gulf Coast. But as it moves away from Florida, we'll actually be seeing some improvements. Also of note, it's unlikely to become a depression or a storm. At this point, it's just expected to be a bit of a rainmaker. So here's that area of low pressure. Again, a big cause behind the wet weather that the entire state's been dealing with. And for us here in Southwest Florida, one cause behind the rounds of rain we've been dealing with in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, which is exactly what our water vapor imagery measures. This little rotation, that little counterclockwise spin, it's going to be rolling across South Florida tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon, still going to be very active because that's going to provide a lot of energy in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, which could produce some areas of heavy rainfall. That said, over the weekend, that's moving off toward the west as well. And so as it moves away, that will allow drier air to return. Let's take you live right now. Speaking of some drier air, it's beautiful outside this evening, coming off of a very active day as we were dealing with widespread showers and storms and a whole lot of cloud cover. But now we are seeing those clouds break apart and we are enjoying some pretty nice conditions. But for this morning and even into the early afternoon hours, we were dealing with that wet weather. So I wanted to show you some of those big rainfall totals. Northport, that was a hot spot, nearly 4 inches in the rain gauge since midnight. Key Marco, just off of Marco Island, we had over 2 inches because of a thunderstorm this morning. In LaBelle, over an inch in the rain gauge. For Placida in Charlotte County, we have about 7/10. FGCU over a ½ an inch alongside Captiva. And for Ave Maria, we picked up just shy of a ½ an inch in the rain gauge. Now radar is on the dry side. And yes, we could still see an isolated shower or two this evening, but for the most part, you can expect those mostly clear to partly cloudy skies as you venture out this evening. Looking ahead to tomorrow, beautiful start, lots of sunshine. So the first half of your Thursday should be mainly dry. Winds will be picking up out of the southeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming 10 to 15 miles per hour as we step into the afternoon. Partly cloudy skies developing right around 12, and it is right around 12 that we'll start to see those storms fire up. So for the afternoon into the evening, just make sure you have that rain gear on standby. Rounds of heavy downpours once again forecast, and we'll also have the lightning threat as well with some of those thunderstorms that do get fired up. And then as we head through your Thursday evening, most of those storms fizzle out after sunset. Looking ahead to your Friday, partly cloudy skies will kick off your day, but heading into your Friday afternoon, again, do stay weather aware as another round of scattered showers and storms arrive. That said, we'll start to notice that drier air building in, and you'll really be noticing it that over the weekend. Before tomorrow morning, clear start. Low to mid 70s are forecast. Afternoon high temperatures are expected to run in the upper 80s, lower 90s. Still going to be feeling about 100 degrees before those showers and storms fire up. Looking ahead to the weekend, drier air builds in, and that'll help to drop back those rain chances to 10 to 20% Saturday and Sunday.